Hello folks, I'm back here in the garage. I've done a lot of thinking about the data that I collected yesterday on the pool table here. Um, as you remember me saying, hopefully, I felt that all the measurements were fine. The times were, I redid it, everything was the same. Measured it a third time, checked on my calculations, kept on getting an acceleration due to gravity that was like something like 4 meters per second squared, or just incredibly low numbers. Well beyond like what a small sort of real world error might cause. So this morning I was freaking out. I was like, do I know how to do physics? Like, what is wrong with all of this? And so I came back out in the garage and I looked at the stuff. And I want to show you what I think I found out. So I'm using this, right? So this is a plank from hardwood floor in our house. It was like some extra material left over. This is the ramp I've been using. Like, there's two sides. There's this side, which, as you can see, have these nice grooves in them. And so I was using this side so that the ball would stay on the track. And it was working fine. What I think was happening, now if you look at this side, of course, this is the side that you actually walk on in a house. This is incredibly smooth. This, not so smooth, but I didn't honestly think it would make that big of a difference, but I'm going to show you how big of a difference it makes. Actually, maybe we'll do this. Does this work? Yeah, kind of. Here we go. All right. So, I do have a little rail here because there is no groove, and so it has a tendency to fall off. This will do just enough. It'll impede the motion a little bit. I think it's not going to be that big of a deal. But I'm going to start both the same height, both the same length, obviously. I am going to lift my hands at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at the difference. There's a difference in almost a full second, maybe even 2 seconds. And so when I realized that, I went back downstairs and I did the calculations. And again, it's not perfect, but it is way closer to what I expected than what I was getting before. And so, I'm going to write up some questions that I'm going to have you answer for this warm-up video. We're going to sort of take this as a learning experience, right? The equipment that you use matters. And if you don't get what you think you're supposed to get the first time, keep trying. Now, I just noticed something. I noticed that this is bowing a little bit. It's not perfectly. Let's see if that makes any difference. I'm just going to do this one more time, sorry. Yeah, almost like about 2 seconds difference, okay? So, yeah. So refer back to the post, and I will explain the assignment that I want you to do around this demonstration, and then we will continue along with our unit on projectile motion. Thanks for watching.